feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is sponsored by Westkiss hair, and they sent me this beautiful wig. Honestly, the curls are so soft. Like, even before I defined it, when it was in its natural state, I was just like, yo, very soft, very thick. The lace blended, like, the wig is good, the lace is good, the quality of the hair, the thickness of the hair, like, I was just like, yeah, you know. But before I jump into the video, let me just show you guys what they sent me inside the package. So obviously the wig, and this is I got a medium size 28-inch 250 density HD lace, hence why the lace blended real nice. And I, for some reason, I get medium cap, and it's better to stick with medium cap just because it's pretty much like an average head size. And if you're not sure, it's better to just stay in between, because if you get a small, then it might be too small, and if you get a large, then it will make your head look bigger than it is. So it's best to just get a medium and stick in between. I got a medium, and my head is pretty much average to the 22.5 circumference. But yeah, I normally just get the medium just to be safe. What else? So they sent me some bonnets, some stocking cap, but I already had a stocking cap on my head, so I didn't need to use it. Westkiss headband. I normally don't use these headbands just because, for me, it's fine when you're not installing the wig, like the wig is already installed on your head and you just need to just snap something to keep it in place when you're like taking a shower or whatever. But for me, it doesn't really help to melt my lace because it's not so tight. Like, I like mine tight. But if you don't like yours tight, then this will be good for you. It has this snap, the velcro thing at the back, so it will snap in place and stay in place. But I didn't use it because I like to tie mine, and I want it to be very tight on my head. Some baby hair comb and some lashes. I think that's all they sent to me inside the package, and obviously the wig. But I am going to be showing you guys what the wig looks like after I plucked it and bleached it and all of that in the next clip, and pretty much show you guys how I install it. So if you guys want to see how I got this look and how I install this wig, then definitely keep on watching. This is the wig. This is a 28 curly wig. So it's 13 by 4, 28 inches curly wig, and this is how it's looking. I did go ahead and pluck and bleached it, so you know, yeah, like, it's the plucking for me. So I'm gonna go ahead right now and spray my even tinted lace spray inside the lace, and then start the installation process.
I'm talking things for better now. Things for better now. Way better now. This is my regular. I'm talking things for better now. Things for better now. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true, dear. And I'm digging you, make me believe that your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love, it goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my watching, I be on my 4, 5 summers, 4, 5 summers, 4, 5 summers, 4, 5 summers. We took.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I just wanted to show you guys what I used to define the curls because my camera died while I was defining the curls and I realized I didn't show you guys. So all I use for all my curl wigs, I just use the Cantu Shea Butter curl activator cream, and I normally just put it in a spray bottle with some water like so. Mix it and just spray it on the hair and it pretty much does its job. Yeah, I think that's it. I didn't miss out on anything else. Yeah, it's just the defining of the curls. That's where my camera died, and I just wanted to show you guys what I used. I pretty much just sprayed it and then brushed it out. Hold on. Okay, where was I before I was really interrupted? So I don't remember where I was, but anyways, this is the end. The links to the wig will be down in the description box, so if you guys want to purchase this unit, then definitely check the links down in the description box. I will be taking some pictures. I am going out tomorrow, not today, but I had to do my hair from today because of timing. But yeah, I will definitely be posting some pictures on my Instagram, so if you guys want to see how this hair actually turned out with whatever outfit I chose to wear with it, or I chose to wear it. Yeah, it's gonna be up there. Anyways, yeah, just go on my Instagram and then you guys will definitely see it. But for now, this is the end. Thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.